Hi there, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Girl Next to the Side. I hope you all are doing well. So, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, then hello again. Thank you so much. From the start, I think I have been making videos on hair care, skincare, makeup, cosmetics, this, that. But I came across a product which is very, very useful, which is very, very good for you if you are someone who wears sneakers, or even if you don't wear sneakers, you would obviously wear some shoes which often now and then gets dirty. Then this is definitely the product for you. If you're thinking what I'm talking about, then let's start the video. So, this is the product that I'm talking about. This is like very far away from all the topics that I always talk about. I never talk about these kind of things, but then hey, I have come across something which is very, very useful. So, if you are someone who wears shoes like this, okay, this is the kind of sneakers. If you're someone who wear it, you wear it every day to office, college, school, this, that, wherever you want, or you have a pair of this kind of sneakers or any kind of sneakers for that matter. Okay, it can be a completely leather one, or if you have toys of your kids which are extremely dirty, then this can be very, very useful. What is this? So this is kind of a bag, cleaning bag, which opens up, which has a zip like this. You have to open it up, and when you open it up, you can see that you have this bag has octopus like tentacles, which works very well in cleaning your shoes. So what you have to do is you have to just open it like this. You have to put your shoes, this one is a clean shoe, clean by this. You have to put your shoes, the dirty ones, inside. Okay, stack them inside, and then what you have to do is you have to just close this. Okay, and you need to put this inside your washing machine. Okay, and you have to obviously add some whatever detergent you use inside your washing machine, or whatever kind of a liquid. Okay, surf excel liquid, or whatever kind of washing machine liquid that you usually use, just put that, and you have to turn it to the mode of jeans. Okay, there is a mode in jeans. I'm gonna show it how it looks like in my washing machine, and so that you can just follow the mode if it is not exactly matching, and put it to something intense basically. So what happens when you put your shoe inside this bag and then you put this bag inside of a washing machine is that this, the tentacles that have shown you, this cleans the entire shoe very well. Okay, I will show a picture of a shoe somewhere over here or here, which was extremely dirty. And this is something, by the way, that I'm using nowadays every weekend because all my shoes are dirty. So this was the shoe here, and look at now it how it has cleaned it. So this belongs to, I have brought this from Amazon. This belongs to a brand called Jicoot, Jicoot shoe washing bags for washing machine. Okay, so if you are someone who don't want to spend your half of your weekend almost with that toothbrush and hot water and detergent trying to make your shoes as clean as possible, don't do that. I am here to show you this product which actually cleans your shoes to bits. Okay, it cleans it very well, and it has been such a lifesaver for me. It's not been, I think I've been using this for only 2 weeks now, and I couldn't help but share this with you. Okay, because I'm sure that this is something that everyone should use it in their homes now. So this is how the fluffy microfiber, it rubs against the shoe and cleans it like it's a new pair of shoes. And trust me when I tell that it's extremely useful, it's extremely good, saves so much time, and you are going to thank me later for this once you use it. Okay, I'm going to show all the the snips and everything of the mode that we use in our washing machine. And I use the Surf Excel matic liquid, which I think most of us use for our washing machines, or you can use whatever you want, but yeah, that should usually be the mode, the jeans mode. Okay, so okay, so I was telling you about the mode. So this is the mode that I have to use, denim mode. And if you see, this is
something that is automatically taken. Not sure if you can see. Wait. 40-degree temperature, 800 spin. These three symbols, I'm not sure what it means, but these three is automatically selected. Nothing on this side, and the time is 73. So yeah, in case you don't have this denim mode in your washing machine, this is basically a front load Samsung washing machine. You can select all these manually and you can set it up, and your shoes will be like sorted.
Yeah, share this with your friends and family, and please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. As I said, thank you so much. Bye.